Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, where we uncover the best tech deals and must-have gadgets every day. Today, we're checking out one of the best value monitors in its class, the Philips 221V8LB 22-inch Full HD monitor. This compact yet powerful display delivers a blend of sharp visuals, smooth motion, and thoughtful features for both work and play. At the heart of it is a 22-inch Full HD 1920x1080 panel that produces crisp detail and vivid colors, making it perfect for productivity, streaming, and light gaming. The standout feature here is its 100 Hz refresh rate, which delivers smoother visuals than standard 60 Hz displays. Whether you're editing, browsing, or gaming, everything feels more fluid, from scrolling web pages to fast-paced action scenes. Add adaptive sync to that, and you've got a tear-free, stutter-free viewing experience even during intense gameplay or video playback. Philips takes eye comfort seriously. This monitor includes LowBlue Mode and Flicker-Free technology to reduce eye strain during long work sessions. So if you spend hours in front of your screen for studying, working, or gaming, your eyes will definitely thank you. Connectivity-wise, the 221V8LB is simple but solid. You get HDMI and VGA ports, offering compatibility with both modern and older systems. It's VESA mountable 100x100mm too, meaning you can easily set it up on a wall or monitor arm for a clutter-free workspace. Now let's talk about design. Slim bezels, lightweight frame, and a minimalist matte finish give it a clean, professional look that fits any setup, whether it's your home desk or office workstation. The compact 22-inch size is ideal for smaller desks, dual monitor configurations, or users who prefer portability without sacrificing quality. But here's what really makes this monitor special: the 4-year advance replacement warranty. Philips stands by its build quality with one of the most generous warranties in this price range, giving you peace of mind that few other brands can match. The Philips 221V8LB is perfect for students, professionals, or gamers on a budget who still demand smooth performance, eye comfort, and reliable build quality. For under $100, this is an exceptional deal. If you want a sleek, reliable, and fast-performing 22-inch display with warranty coverage that's hard to beat, definitely check out the Philips 221V8LB. You can grab yours right now, link's below. Thanks for watching Gadgetverse, and if you love tech that makes sense, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for your daily dose of smart gadgets.